Hey there, this is Annie here, and I am 39 weeks pregnant, and I got my bag ready to go. This is actually my labor bag. I saw some videos that showed kind of to separate the bag, so I want to show you what's in my labor bag, and then I want to show you what's in my hospital bag. So let's check out my labor bag first. Okay, so this labor bag is just a canvas like tote, and it did come with this little smaller bag. So I'm going to show you what's in this bag as well. So first off, these are all the things that I need, like toiletries. I have a hair tie. I have some grippy socks. These are really cute because they look like ballet socks. I also have all of my toiletries in here. So body wash, comb, my face wash, shampoo, face lotion, all those things are in here as well. So that's what is in this bag here. The idea is that I would just take this into the restroom and, you know, take a shower with it after labor. I also have a towel in here. This one is same thing. The idea is to take a shower after labor. The next thing I have in here is some shower shoes. These are just regular flip-flops, but yeah, we need to take some for that. And then I have a this is kind of like a hospital type gown, but it is it's not a hospital gown that would be approved because it doesn't have a back opening. So this I would wear after I have baby. It just has a zipper, again, after coming out of the shower type of thing. So that's that there. I do plan to just use the hospital gown, you know, to have baby. I also have a nursing bra that I'm going to take with me. This one is just from Amazon, and it does have the straps like that you would use. So we're gonna wear that either during labor or after labor. If they let me during labor, we'll see. These are all the things that I would need during labor, I assume. I'm also taking just an extra little like kind of like sleeping bra, just in case they let me use this during labor, because again, I don't know what that will look like. I am taking a heating pad. This one is just for your back, or you know, afterward you can put it on your tummy. But yeah, somebody said take a heating pad, so adding that. I am also taking my this is Mama Way. This is my like post baby faja, but this one is not too tight because it's like right when you have the baby. I have a different one for, you know, once I'm at home, but that's the hospital one. I'm also taking a fan. This is a fan in here. It's a very small portable fan. I actually bought this to go camping. So it actually does plug in. It's not battery operated, but what's cool about this one is that it also is a light. When you plug it in, this whole bottom piece is a light. It sits up like this. It is it does have a remote, so I'll be able to control that. And yeah, so that is what I will be using. It does rotate as well, so this is a really good one. I bought it a while back ago for camping, and perfect. And I do like that it has its own little case. Okay, I am also taking a little terry towel. This is for the hair, but it's also just in case I sweat, and just for labor, in case I need it. I know that there will be hospital ones, but just in case I need it for my hair or for any other reason. I am taking my portable Bible, not portable, but this one goes with me everywhere. I travel with it. I do plan to just really make sure that I'm in the Word during labor and all that. Everyone says to take a like a 12-foot cord, but I'm actually taking this as a charger. It charges my phone. It gives me 2 full charges with this, and then you can charge it in the wall. So I'm very used to this, and so I'm just taking that. And then lastly, I am taking this tripod. This is like a really short one, and it does go up to 3 feet, so it's a good one, but it doesn't take up a lot of room. So that is everything that I'm taking for labor. I'm also taking my water bottle, which will go on the side pocket as well. So that is my labor bag, and I told the hubs, like, whenever I take my shower and I go ahead and move into the delivery room, he can take this bag and put it in the car and then bring me my other bag. So let me show you what's in that. I actually got the idea to do 2 separate bags on TikTok. Lots of advice over there, lots of girlies just saying that you can take 2 bags, one for everything that you'll need for the delivery and one for everything that you'll need for labor. So this is my hospital bag. This is for the actual hospital stay, and this is also my diaper bag. So I opted to get a diaper bag, not a backpack. I know a lot of people go the backpack route nowadays. It's a little bit more modern, but I wanted to do the diaper bag route. This one is from Kate Spade. It's nylon. It's still available on their website. And then we just adorned everything with the little bear, so I added that to that. The hubs did get a diaper bag backpack, so I bought a little bear and put it on his as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this one opened. I have this little bag. It says mommy things. Super cute. We have this silk eye mask. These are, I believe, breast pads. And then I do have the little silverettes here as well. And then this actually goes in the other bag. This one I plan to put my hair all up maybe when I deliver. So I'm gonna actually switch bags for that one because I think I kind of will want my hair out of my face and stuff. So that's in there. I have my first dress as a new mama. I'm wearing this one. It's just from Amazon. It's a polka dotted little cute number. I am taking a pair of shorts. These are from Target. They're just pajama shorts. And a tank. Again, these are just to go to sleep, like at the actual night. Because I just prefer shorts, but yeah. Then I have this pair of nicer pajamas. So this one here, and then these are pajama pants. I also have that like gowny type dress in the other bag. I am taking another nursing bra. I'm taking a pair of compression socks. I'm taking my hospital slippers. I'm taking another pair of grippy socks. These are cute. They say, sorry, I can't today. I'm growing a tiny human, which is so cute. And then I have my shoes that I'll be wearing with my outfit. I also have my cosmetics bag. Just all the things that I can put on with my like hands. I need to add in here my face wipes. But yeah, that's what's gonna go in there. I can show you that later if you want, or I probably will. And then in here I have all the jewelry that I want to take as well. And then here on the side I want to take this headband because I do want to wear this, you know, to leave as well. Let me know if you think I'm missing anything, if you think it's a good idea to take 2 bags, or what are your thoughts? What do you think? This is me being a first-time mom and thinking that all this will work, but I would appreciate feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully when you see this, I'm already home with baby, but